Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying hardware and basic settings. First, reboot into BIOS or the login screen to confirm the keyboard itself responds. If not, swap USB ports or test another keyboard. Once done, open Settings Time and Language to confirm the correct layout and input method. Then launch Device Manager, expand keyboards and human interface devices. Right-click to update drivers, or uninstall and reboot, so Windows reinstalls them automatically. You now address Windows features that interfere with shortcuts. Go to Settings Ease of Access keyboard and turn off filter keys and sticky keys. These can delay or capture keystrokes. Make sure Fast Startup and USB Selective Suspend in Power options aren't disrupting USB keyboards. Run Settings Update and Security Troubleshoot keyboard to apply automatic fixes. Also, check for third-party utilities like Auto Hotkey or Keyboard Managers, and temporarily disable them to isolate the problem. To finish, reset the keyboard layout. Remove and re-add your language pack and settings, then restart. If shortcuts still misbehave, create a new user account to determine if your profile is corrupted, log in there and test. As a last resort, use System Restore to a known good point or backup data and perform a clean install. If issues persist after these steps, try the troubleshooting tip: boot to safe mode. If shortcuts work there, a startup app or driver is the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.